Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer money from your Payoneer account straight to your bank account in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Payoneer account either on the app or the website. From your dashboard, look for the option that says withdraw and convert. Click on it. Now select withdraw to bank. If you have multiple currencies, choose whose balance like USD, Euro, etc. you want to withdraw. Now add your bank account. Click add bank account. Then enter your bank details like your bank type, like personal or business, then currency, then click next. Then enter your address, then enter your account details. Then bank account you want to send. Now fill out these details. Your bank account you want to send the money to. Make sure it's already linked. Amount you want to withdraw, double check the currency conversion rates if you're withdrawing to a different currency. After checking everything, click review. If everything looks good, click withdraw. You'll get a confirmation message right away. Payoneer will also send you an email with the withdrawal details. Now just wait. Usually it takes between a few hours to 3 business days for the money to arrive. And that's it. Fast and easy. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy withdrawing.